Coleslaw is a classic American side dish, perfect for picnics and barbecues. Here's how to make it. Start with a base of shredded green cabbage. You can also add shredded red cabbage and grated carrots for color and texture. For the dressing, whisk together mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, sugar, and Dijon mustard in a bowl. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Pour the dressing over the shredded vegetables and toss until everything is well coated. For added flavor, you can mix in chopped green onions or fresh herbs like parsley or dill. Let the coleslaw chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together. Serve your American coleslaw as a side dish with grilled meats, sandwiches, or burgers. It's a refreshing and tangy complement to a variety of dishes. Enjoy!